one set of fish. The fish are good for use the fish for the steamers. You see me? And the next set of fish now we are using it as the roasters. You see me? Yeah, so. But there are people. Just go and watch and follow and see what I go on. Because you don't know. We always bring the nice stuff too, you know.
Please say enough for God. You make me no God. Yeah, see, spice for the
You love video people, so you.
I know the kitchen are coming now. I know the kitchen are coming now.
But that is why in your video.
Alright, man, I'm chef. Oh, man, I'm showing some skeleton and time and things like the grill. Yeah, man, this is the vegetarians that will stuff the fish to the people.
T-shirt, man.
See the people?
I got my T-shirt,
Stuff the fish them. You see? Yeah, man. Fish. Because we have steamed fish and crackers. Yeah. There's a steamed fish and the color of going on the roasters. See? Yeah, man.
You want some rum? Jaggy, give him 150 for me now. Big gear, man.
I'll show you how to do it. Put it on. You have 20. I'll put them.
Make him go get some jugs, brother. I want a little jugs in my system, bro. Cut that. You want some rum? Find some rum. I love oh, rock hard. Right though. Rock hard. Oh! Ready for my one there?
No, the thing.
No, do that, father.
The great finally are why not? Yeah, that. You know, country fry.
Oh! Man, the steam on the phone, bro. The steam on the phone.
Everything.
Yeah. Can you take out 2% cold of this?
Yeah, nah, yes.
Yeah, man. Finally going to that. Yeah, man. Good. All the vegetables.
Inside the belly. Yeah. Take your time, no, it's hot still.
You
know, eat yourself. Alright, respect you, brother.
You don't say you're a good chef.
Come on.
But you're not right on the block, you know.
See?
Can't test him out and I want to see, man. Tastes good.
Come on. Jamaica land, one night.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Don't mind taste to make you know what's going on, man. Come on. This is the chef princess. Whoa. What do you say? Alright, Miss P. Respect. Alright, Miss P. Here you go. Bless up. Bless up.
Okay, alright. Yeah? I'm going to have fish now. Fish time. Yeah.
Alright, okay.
Yeah,
Respect. Just remember this channel.
Yeah.
Jamaica. Come on. Yeah, people, see there? Yeah, man. Steamed fish with vegetable and crackers, you see? Yeah, man. Just like that. So we do it to them people, real Jamaican style, you see? With a rampant taste. Taste and tell how it tastes with that.
Yeah. No time.
Come on, you know get
No time. No time at all.
Flavor.
Yeah, flavor.
Mm-hmm.
It tastes real good.
Jaja. Yes, my people, respect to you again. It's another day again. You see me, people? Yeah, man, we're on the road again to give you our next blog, a very nice, distant blog. So, as we say, blessed to you, Z, my Lord, my God, help and guide and protect us every time in everything that we do. We like see for your guidance and your security and your surety, everything that we need from you, my Lord, in thy name. As I can see, my people, this is Jamaica Land 1965. As YouTuber, we're doing some cooking today again, my people. Today we're going to do some roast fish and some steamed fish with crackers. See, roast fish, roast done file paper, and we have some steamed fish, we have steamed done with some vegetable, Irish and pumpkin and so forth, and some crackers. You see my dear people? So we give thanks and praise to each and every one, all of our subscribers, big up on ourselves, all of our viewers, big up on ourselves, all who are passed through and stop on the channel, big up on ourselves, respect to each and every one. And may God bless and guide each and every one. I am here today again to give it to you live and direct. Just like this, my people. Nice food that I will deal with. Nice Jamaican flavor that I will deal with. Nice authentic food if you eat and enjoy yourself, that I will deal with. So until you want to get them things there, come across, my people. That I will there for you. See what I do, my people? So respect to each and every one again. You see? Yeah, man, we're there. Yeah, my people, so see the ingredients so we get up so far. See? We have a pumpkin, we have butter, we have pepper, we have sweet pepper, we have scallion, garlic, we have okra. See, we have our file paper already and so forth. You see, we have the crackers already in our bag. You see? So, we are line up things now to get things in there. We have a cold stove, we have definitely roast fish. You see, my people, so things are get going right. Yeah, people, so.
Yeah, we have fish here.
Yeah, man, these are the fish that we have. You see? We have about 15 of them fish we are dealing with, you know, people, so. And them fish we are dealing with today, yeah. You see? Yeah, man, we are roast some of them and we are steam some. You copy? Yeah, just like that. We don't quite get if I even 5 more of the fish that nice, not true?
Yeah.
We can roast 10 and steam 10.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, the chef are line up the thing right away. You see it? Yeah, man. Don't know the whole of it upon it, you know, people, so. No? Each one help once over there, you do everything, you see it? Yeah, man. Man, this is our environment over there, right? I know do a thing. Yeah?
Yeah, we now pumpkin.
Everything plug in the father. We are going with a mad thing.
Yeah, father, where are you? I go and come check out the situation where we are dealing with.
You know.
Yeah, man, these are the fish for people. I tell the people when this are done, it are the man. This name full of vibes and taste. They copy Jamaican vibes cooking. You see? Yeah, man, everything we are doing, we don't know, it's Jamaican style, home style. You see, the people? Yeah, man. No joke about what we are doing with people. If you're talking on chef, but the people don't hear what you're saying. No?
Real native cooking we are cook, man. You hear that?
Yeah, I mean.
Learn this from our grandmother in a chapel.
Alright. I know, so when we have a grandmother grew up in the country, a bad chef will becomes, you know.
Because we are country and town youth. You know.
Oh.
We grow a country and we grow a town, you know.
Just like that for real, man.
The original Kingstonian youth said we, you know. You know the thing come down. Real native style of cooking we are giving.
That's for the steamers, you know, so I'm going to pull up the one.
Stand, truck back, truck stop.
How will I fish on this?
Look a little bit down.
For real. Like I just the steamers that alone. Yesterday I know still so we can get some more. Even for roast. We steam all of them. Cheap cock. But you know the pot for steam all of them. Watch out now. Boy. Who they are chat about steam all of them?
Generator, my pot big.
But I can't hold all of them, man. Youth. Man, not big, but you can't hold so much fish. No underestimate the size of the pot, bro. The people look on the size of the pot. That can't hold 10 fish, you know.
See what's going on, fans.
Yeah, man. It's all the Jamaican dish, you know. So we have some calorie people. Them calorie but I use and stuff in the fish. You see? Yeah, man. Now the roast fish. Yeah, carpe. See, onion we I use, purple onion. You see? Good for your nerves.
One of them Maggie seasons, them just miss that.
Maggie season. We can buy Maggie season, man. $100 there, you know.
And them something there, that jerk pan that we are bringing.
A jerk pan, yeah, man.
Yeah.
I like how it look too.
Like pull up, don't even show them too much our techniques in the car. They don't know.
Yeah, man, can fold up, man, because see there, a screw there all along, you know, people. Screw, nut and bolt. You see it? Screw it up. When we are traveling, put it in the car back.
And we first bust this. That's how I go.
Because St. Elizabeth, that's the one. One man them jerk, that can't even move. But they even blag it. Too big. Because I said, yeah, man, so come get to fork and plate. I don't know. Steam fish, so people don't want to plate to eat the fish out there. So then at least, you see? I'm there.
You know? Yeah.
What? You joke?
Can't just pull up on it.
Careful, man.
Big top chef.
No paranoia, no deal it.
Big.
Right, I know where people see that.
I am do them, but in a ball tree. Do it in a car, you know, do it straight, you know.
Not this straight, peace. But that's all everything we are though.
You get that touch,
Ah.
you understand me?
You see it?
So right now, me I touch up the callaloo now.
Yeah.
Put in the roast fish.
Yeah.
And make sure say everything mild, you know?
Alright. So you are just to put on them, you know, with them go and pre-steam.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
alright.
go and drain my fish them and season them up and get them.
Alright.
Pile up and butter up and put in a file same time. You know
You
what I
want
mean?
some more when them do?
What that?
Some more of the powder season, don't it?
Powder season. You see true, we not got too much powder.
Powder, yeah, right then.
And
Yeah.
mostly natural.
Natural,
we
yeah,
are going to notice
yeah.
how we season pan.
Yeah, man.
We just use a little powder season kind of
Yeah.
pep
You
up
understand,
the
you
taste a
understand,
bit.
you
You
understand.
understand me?
Yeah, man, I understand now, boss. Yeah. I hold that.
Hold on, man.
I hold that.
Hold on, man. Go on,
Big up
sister.
yourself, you know, mama.
See my sister in there, you know.
Yo,
Sister, that,
Mama.
you know.
Mama.
They are
That's
cook.
spice of something.
Yeah, you have spice up something, you know. Well, mama ready to sip. Jesus Christ. I tell you.
It thick
Man, take that
like
it.
a porridge.
I tell you, man, at them the juice, man, if you have them body, man. Then the thick
Like
juice.
a porridge.
What go on with you? Man, we're there upon it, man. You know, so right now I do, you know, they upon it, I do the thing. See me.
You know the thing.
That man, the sip them thick, man, me, I tell you, nice.
Thick.
I know what I miss you. You know what I miss you? When I come do the all-in-one, mama. When all plate come and everything. Yeah, man, so the Irish are going and got up the Irish and know people. They don't know. We are not Jew no people, but they don't know the blessing. Everything we do are blessing no people. Yeah, man. Oh, man, so if fire right, get up the fire right away, because we want to get the callaloo pre-steamed done and thing for the fish. Yeah, yeah, good idea. Wagwan.
Yeah, go out. There, do something and I will Wow.
I'm right now some veggies, I cut up some okra, cut up the bread and veggies there and see what I think of them, I cut up and thing. Right now the rain of Jew people, you know, the chuck, right there. You see? Yeah, man. Still want to get some more because we don't get the rest of fish them start. Yeah, fish them there.
start and stay there.
Oh.
Gonna stay there.
Oh. And church the vegetable done?
And this done cook a whole heap of things this in a chopper.
Yeah, man, people, so. I just a blessing see you, man, people, trust me. Yeah, man, the Almighty God blessing. I know, so every time we do something, look a rainfall, just a blessing, man. We just give thanks to that, you know? Yeah, man, for real, man. What you say, chef?
Yeah, man, it's a blessing, you.
Yeah, man, for real.
Just
Man.
cover with said we are doing for rain and catch.
Ah, you see?
No, the thing go. They are prep the season them, you know, and I get them in line, you know.
Alright. Use it, yeah, just use up and anything we done, we just get back.
Right now,
Simple.
right now we're not short on nothing because we have our season reserve set.
When I say anything we done, we get it back, no problem. Season, we say, grown season. Natural season. Milo, bro. All I fish them in script, Milo. So you see, the one of them not scrape, him not take none of them because them not emp on them. Milo done, man. Yes, the people see it, man. Dice up and slice up, you know. Yeah, yes, P. Big up yourself. Mine cold in the rain, you know. Like my old age. All right, mama. Yeah, me done.
Need to pay away, man. Pay away for this work.
All right, people looking at this. Color look okra and look at vegetable them and something in my people them cha. Now tell the chef, you're mad. You're mad. Oh, I can't go to England and cook some of them food. Now I can't go to Mexico to cook some of them food but people them get to know the spice. You see me?
Real Jamaican native spice, yeah.
Yeah, man, be real, man. What do you think of the colorful, man? Look at the colorful.
No, Joe.
Yeah. You see the color?
I national color me a give you know, it's green and gold, you know, Rastafari, you know.
Whoa.
Yeah, I get all the color, national flag thing, you know.
Yeah.
Black, green and gold, you know.
Yeah. Whoa. I tell you.
Yo, when them see that one, the Trump production, but still have some support the Trump. But still have support there.
See butter there?
Murder. Take off the mesh. We don't want it. You need to set it cold good.
Yeah. Squeeze on the pot. If you don't.
Yeah, I eat that. You sit down.
Hold it.
Yeah. I can't do that.
Yeah, man.
Look, sir. I can't do that. Can't do like you have one pink looking.
Yeah, man, you see ice green and gold in the color, man. Ice green and gold, you see, bro. Yeah, man, so you just season up that I feel you go do with the roast fish. So I deal with this now what to do with the steamed fish. You see me? So for that steamed fish, but I want church tonight, don't it? You get 2 church, don't it?
See a rapist there, no gang no.
Do I get 2 church, yeah, blood?
No one a church blood.
No want church.
No blood.
For steam none of the way,
Irish with steam things with not church cost.
Want to turn it?
I'm looking at English
A
lady.
fish we are gonna steam in a bro.
I'm looking at English lady.
You swung it to English lady, bro.
My career is a businessman. I have a 3-story house and I have money in the bank.
Alright.
So any English lady need a real native Jamaican man, just come over.
Yeah, Axel Milo.
Ask Mila, man.
Yeah. Want to see him face, people?
Downtown Kingston.
AKA One Law.
One law.
Yo, make them know say yo, law boss a thief man style. Darling, see real darkness, yeah.
Real dark.
I real darkness this, you know.
From ages.
From ages.
And I ask where I ask.
Yo, I don't have town on the Spanglers corner. You never know what I don't there with that. You never know upon the Spanglers corner.
Me,
Busy.
tapping a man. Tapping a man.
Charge.
An exclusive badness.
You understand me?
Yesterday, I look back for you, you know.
Not forward that.
Beat the time before.
Not never beat the time for real, that is true. But a long time I debate on this.
Remember, say, a river we did for go do this.
River if you don't go and do this, man, youth.
No, we not reach a
river.
river yet, you know.
No, we don't reach a river for real, man.
Ah, yeah.
But them fish are name again? Reef? What them call them?
Remember, yeah.
Mangrove. Mangrove. Yeah, them call them fish a mangrove fish for people. They don't look like snapper, don't it? Cha-cha, they're nice though. Trust me, we roast up a couple of them and eat out two of them. Man! Lalama kasika, lama koloma kasika.
Start here again.
Cha-cha. 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 That's the man of restriction, you know, my people. Yeah, man. Audience restriction from language talking, you know. People them afraid of the language. Cha-cha, no. My people. But they are going to the good old Jamaican chef, the good old authentic style cooking. You see, the people, yeah, man, this is it. You see, this is how we do everything, you know. As we say, we are going to some roast fish today. Yeah, roast fish. We are stuffed the roast fish with some vegetable, callaloo and so forth, you know. And then we are going some steamed fish with crackers. You see, yeah, man. It's a one-star fish. A fish are good for use a fisher for the steamers. You see me? And the next set of fish now we are using it as a roasters. You see me? Yeah, so. But there are people. Just go and watch and follow and see what I go on. Because you don't know. We always bring the nice stuff too, you know.
This is what you get. Boy, no, Gary.
Please say enough for
But can't make you make me no Gary.
Yeah, see, spice, so if you left it spice.
Yo, brother, you love video people, so you
I know the kitchen are coming
you
now.
want to be a part
I know the
of
kitchen are coming now.
But that is why in your video.
Alright, man, I'm chef. Yeah, man, I'm showing some skeleton and thyme and things like the greens, you know. Yeah, man.
Any white lady want a chef in England? Hey! See there?
That's not so far, you gone.
Anybody want a chef?
kind I make with. You know?
Slow way back, wake up.
Yeah.
Hey, you know what I'm saying? So I fish can drop in it. Sorry.
You must want pepper, yo. Eh? Yeah, that again. Jamaica land we love, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, how we, you know? How we?
Caribbean culture, yeah.
Outside, they left some man in the rain for going inside.
You ready? You know, stuff like that.
See that? That's the stuff we're fishing there, yeah?
Stop in a man.
Yeah, man, it's a vegetable that we stuff the fish to the people.
T-shirt, man.
See the people?
I got my T-shirt,
Stuff the fish them. You see? Yeah, man.
T-shirt, no man.
My dear, we never know to see it. To steam the fish them. You see?
Come on. Chop and believe.
Come on, it's a steam fish for people. Yeah. So it's steam fish. Come on, so we have steam fish and crackers. Yeah. There's a steam fish and a callaloo for going on the roasters. See? Yeah, man.
Where so we get the buckle of Caesar?
No comment.
Give me a minute. Rasta. Baller roll start, you know. Steamers put on already. Yo, when me ask you fish, you know when me stay fish feed, you know. Everything is clear.
Milo.
Clean.
Milo, you can't wash them off for you. You get them clean and wash them off.
Yo, don't call me out.
Alright, Milo, we want the help. You have to help me, man, you. You see anything you want help you do? One thing Milo want help you do, you know, Rasta. One thing Milo want help you do, you know.
One thing more I beg you do for
Watch it.
Rasta, 'cause I hear me talk.
Rasta, look at that, man. Look at that, man. I'm alone of a plate them man already.
You
No.
just one of them little small buckler, all purpose,
Maggie.
Carry come from, please. Milo, excuse Sean, that's a Milo.
Move, I'm just sit down back if I well. Yeah, cause you see you, be a thing you go on with, you know. Watch him now dash him plate to them soon come. You know dash him plate. Fish bro.
That is someone like me here to plan to do something. But do it we are doing. If you're dark this year, but me have to be that sweep up the place where I get water and we are fucked up.
Yeah, man, the people.
It's alone, it's done. Going around and
Talk show,
Oh, no, what do you do, you know?
Talk show, man, keep, man.
I love talk show, man.
when you come here and that, you got a bomb plant already. See the image.
What's that, see?
I really look at the whole of my fish then here.
Yeah.
You see? Man, stop it now, man. You too cut off tail neither, man. Tail off your egg out, man.
No, man, you cut off
cut
tail,
off.
man. Tail, cut off, man. So you mark your fish, brother. But I tell you, say, Milo, dep on the whole of my fish, but you don't know how.
Why, man? Milo can't dep on none of my fish, them, man. Jackie.
Alex.
Where are these?
Alex up on fish them.
You know, scare fish, I don't cut off them tail now. And get
You should brush them, you know, done.
and get that slice there down
You know?
there.
Brush
You should brush them, you know.
Four, you under
We don't know, no, we don't know them fully.
You kill her,
Yeah,
deal
yeah,
with it,
I
right?
We don't know them fully.
You can't feel it and tell. You can't feel it and tell.
Alright. You come like your water down your bad chef in a way.
Alright, no, I'm not doing it, be
Your
careful.
bad friend, I go watch a thing, you know. Alright, I can't turn them.
Are the whole of the fish they mix up, dog?
Eh?
Milo, man, stop it now, man.
Fish
Yeah,
sniper
I don't want
to the
to fresh Milo, you know.
Dog, no matter with that.
Milo want
brother,
feed
me work.
fish.
Yeah, man, me work
Eh,
with my own.
see, this is how you scale, man.
Milo, make
Yeah,
sure
man, so-
you keep your head 360 rotation, you know.
See, the roast fish we are doing, that's another people. You get them, if you don't get them a roast, 5 people ready for wrap them up and get them on the stove. Well, the party bigger, we just get sponsor, you know.
So, you up?
What you say you do? You ball for food?
Ball for me food away up on back like that. He hate every man there.
I'm fear that again.
That type of food.
Crocodile tears, man. We cry when man not getting the food, yeah?
I'm mad. And I'm here the starter. We started, you know. So you share me out.
Alright.
Look on that part of that.
They throw water upon him,
Oh,
man.
you
Him
throw
have to-
water. Oh, yeah.
Man, gather up.
Show some coconut juice you have a steam, man. That's true.
Yeah, you know we have
Really, man. Show some coconut juice you have in the darkness.
Thing
go, man. What is that about? Go on.
Thing I got to get my father, man.
Nah,
It's a
bubble.
matter
Nah,
of
bubble.
time, man. So I just put in water. Yo. I don't know if the crackers them can steam in this, you know, bro.
You let me look on to you, bro.
You have to steam a one fish differently with the crackers in there, you know.
Not to look on, you know.
Eh? The crackers don't look like they are cooking at a pot there.
Pot full
The
up.
fish there, we have to go put a one fish in a pot.
One fish,
And steam the crackers there.
one fish we have to, we say have
No,
to.
man, I take one out of this.
Come on, see you fish them, man. And the crackers go on it. Simple.
Can't give two steam fish. Cool down, no, man.
A roast fish alone, I get, man. I want to be afraid of him. I go like afraid of Milo. Milo, we're not afraid of Milo, no, bro. Milo say no man a full belly, you know.
Oh, I'm not going to manage it. Now, we don't G3 when I already feed us, hard feeding us.
Right there!
You me I tell.
Four men man chat all kind of Sydney, you know.
You see it, blood?
A Jamaica land one night. Where go?
Jamaica land 1965.
Yeah, alone make people chat there Sydney, you know.
Oh,
Kevin
Man,
said, liar, liar, but I want
Man,
to hear.
brother.
Let's take a feet mile and feel for old boss killer.
You hear that? You hear that? Why boss never do yet?
You know. He never drive for you.
Just make one
He
time.
drive harder when that Mr. Drive.
And I say if it's not skidder, yeah, baby. Boy, long time. Long time. Come here now.
Catch him, camera.
Come on. You want some rum? Jackie, give him 150 for me now. He give it, man.
I'll show you how to do it. Put it on 20. I'll put them.
Make him go get some drugs, brother. I want a little drugs in his system, bro. Oh, cut that. You want some rum? Find some rum.
I love that.
Open.
My phone.
Where's the cover? Also? Oh, the people. Crackers can't go on top of that.
Don't tell you, you're
No, man, we don't store it, man.
That's rocky.
But I'm not going there yet.
No.
PC going them on. Put piece in them.
I'll
I'll go in there, man.
I'll go in there.
Put piece of that already. Man.
The soon taste, salt going there then?
Yeah, everything going there already.
Taste this.
I ain't
Taste this,
kidding.
son. Taste this, son. No, why everybody taste? Why everybody taste?
Taste.
Taste this.
Milo,
Yeah.
you know what we treat you in the quarantine thing or something?
Taste this, taste this. Come on.
That's why
In fresh, you want a little red.
One look away.
Yeah. You're coming to light, man, a paranoid like this.
Yo, come here, I'm not putting
Don't say me no taste it in the blood, so I don't know how it's going on. Alright. Pass the butter. After I want to come out butter.
Yeah, they are come on to the college that bring one the sound of your Oh, there is better.
Where cover that? One liter film.
Everybody. Milo, come to keep the quarter.
Fresh.
Cover back. How it tastes?
Boy, too long, you know that. Boy, too long, you know. One more butter for him.
Watch under that. Watch.
Wow.
You know, say, them fish are not have no whole pass spoon.
No, no.
Hold on, no.
Yeah, you have to push it down in there and shuffle it.
Show them the roots, murderer. Show them the roots. Show them the
You
roots.
know, and put it, can take it, crackers them, you know.
Yeah, man. You
Dry
can't
out.
go and take crackers.
Can't take
Come
871 boss.
Yes, sir. Put more butter, put more oil pan in the pot there.
Yo. Yeah, me, I saw the
Oil.
Get your killer, man. Don't talk. What life?
Let me know.
What life? Cheers.
But find them while I
Yeah, but you have to take the film dry down now. You have to take it up if you want dry down. And I'm gonna boil it and crush
One
it.
line, I'm a
When I
killer.
crush it,
Stop in a man.
Yeah. Yeah. Target.
don't crush it.
187 boss.
Alright.
What them a do?
Hold up there, hold up there.
What them a do? People, them viewers, them want to see what I'm going. Viewers, subscribers.
Yes, my people,
Sorry,
as
I
you can
wanna
see,
miss
we're
out a
getting
lot,
roast
you know.
fish ready. Getting steamed veg into it and getting it
Stop in a man.
So this is how we do it, man. Remember the steamed fish.
Yeah.
So basically, just a roast fish and just take in the blog and enjoy it. Remember to comment and let me know what you think about what you're doing. What you see so far that you make a mistake, you can tell us in the comments.
No, do that, father.
We all love you, my people. God bless you all. Thank you for joining.
Man, steam on the phone, bro. Steam on the phone.
The roast fish should be
Everything.
Yeah,
Everything. Give him the cover now. Give him the cover. Give him the cover. Yeah.
Cook out. Jackie. Why, man, take over him now. Now, the whole in here, now.
Take over.
Stop in a man. Stop in a man.
Take picture.
Tell the man to get Charlie Stone, the man no father. Hear that? Man no
Everything.
father catch
Yeah, man,
Charlie Stone.
everything can hold, man.
Yeah, man, if you want. The same time it starts to up, you get triple.
Yeah, come in the cover now, come put over.
Cover, don't run over, you know. Half man.
Fire alright, funny, so not a problem.
Half man.
Come back good, man.
No man.
No, man, come back good, man. So you got to sell a steamroller.
Ah, yeah, man. Blow.
Why, mother? Why?
England, here we come. Want to face up the front of the restaurant.
Alan.
Come right up back, come right up back. Come right this, sir. Come in, Milo. There people, so we'll get the fire light up, you know. And then we can take out the coal out of this and put night and light, you know. You know that?
Stop it, no man, dog it, man.
But you don't show the man that can light, the man that can catch fire. The man that are professional, like Kingston and them, but them bad fan catching fire, you know? Yeah, man. So, can you take out 2% coal out of this?
Yeah, yes.
They come from my
Man, I wait the whole like that.
So you have to do it, bro. So you have to do it. Dog gets that mashed up the thing. Do me tell her to do and cover it.
Dog it, listen to the monster, no man.
You might do too much at that time and take picture.
Must need a camera, man, you know?
Yo,
Must black
remember
film
say
people,
the
them.
killer camera on, you know.
When I hear say this gone viral, how much million run for that video, yeah? You have to come from my...
You know how to get no jaggy.
Yeah. Right.
You put that on no
Yeah, you never want
right
to.
there, sir.
Yeah, man.
You end up on paper with no right there.
So viral is going in that. Viral,
That good man.
yeah, man.
That good man, dog.
Please.
It's not based on water, friend.
Eh?
Based on water, based on water.
What?
Put that in based on water, I say.
Push it in there. Butter, you want to
You know, we're going to lift all the pot, we're not going to put the dry down, you know.
It's ready, you know?
Yeah, man, we're going to lift it off, man.
Oh, man.
So now I hold it now, yeah, right amount that. Never put on.
Milo. Market. Throw a piece of butter in and cut.
Milo, you don't want to do for it, bro. Yeah. Buy an next file paper for it. I don't know the work. I'm not going
to follow me up with you. I'm going to tell you 100 times so I don't know money. Follow me. Say that. Maybe I'll be to buy it long time, you know. Milo. Milo.
Now.
Yeah, Milo. Come on, pumpkin left. Milo. Yeah. Milo. Ooh, baby. Hi. Yeah, man,
I tell the people, man. Why Milo, you're dangerous, trust me. Milo eat vegetable and crackers. The roast fish setting the people, isn't it? Steamers, we take it off already. Vegetable. Well, give you the roast fish and all, but I don't know the things that the people. My second eat this again with people can go. Vegetable and then gone. You know, say you have to throw it out in the basin. Man, judge, I don't know, go. Let him feeling belly still can feel hungry, so go and enjoy yourself, man. Judge, you got yourself, man.
We are. For a long time. No, man, what? You must be mad, man. I'm working, man. What you talk about? I love work, you know. When I work, you know, brother, I want my own, you know. I could have tell a man, so I don't scale a fish, you know.
Nothing wrong.
Take up the fish and scale.
You can't do it yourself.
You know.
Oh, yeah, man.
Do it about that talk about who you can do it.
Yo, Milo, dangerous. Milo say I have 2 more steam fish in there and I have 1 roast fish. Judge, I know Milo. But then I don't want so much food, man. Judge, I know. You must have to carry home food tonight. You want to eat too much one time. Judge.
Eat them, Mr. Dark.
Alright, let's cover them. Okay. Get some 5 people and cover this right away.
Yeah, 5 people cover.
Yeah, man. If you buy a next, if you buy one, man, I tell you keep on telling you, but you're not picture the talk. You don't buy, if you buy everything, bro. How you get things to use if you don't spend money and buy? You have to cover it like Mr. Fly not going out, bro. So that's why I try to show you don't want the germs to the belly. Cover the side of the door. Yeah, check that joke thing with the family, what I do with Bill. I don't want to fly in everything, bro. We have to fix you with belly.
Blagger, man.
Blagger, yeah, can you buy them cover that?
No, cover it. No, cover it.
One of them too. Can't cover it. Can't.
Use that piece of piece of
man.
pan.
People,
Jaja, the man them talk them
Use this
music
now.
high.
Watch me now.
Jaja know come like a beer
Part
music
it, correct,
style.
yeah.
You see my deal? So they are upon the same we go and do the thing. This is the Rasta.
Watch it now, sir.
Yeah man, welcome to you.
Put just my turn down, yes, bro.
Yeah man, thank you for joining our channel, boss. Yeah man, me and my viewers and my subscribers, we all appreciate you and thank you again. Welcome to my channel.
Man, want to know so me I prevent fly from going away food. That me I think about. That me I deal with. Depend on different thing we are paying. So for the buy next 5 people darkness. When you're done.
Yeah, Rasta pure and 5 people take money for 1 5 blood, you know that.
Jesus, you think him take for joke, you know, bro. Think him take for joke, bro.
If you laugh, I don't give him a food. One buck and tell the general to share.
Can't do that, man. I said, no, just wait, man.
Wait for what?
See, they want more 5 people, buy a 5 people, give you know. So, yes, I think about your belly, but you not think about the work we are doing. The bad way for Calalo and crackers, I get it. Now you come on bad way again, eh? Like you call you the bulldog if you say,
Feed me work, dog. Nah, bother.
that's because we call you the bulldog.
Feed me work,
We call you the bulldog.
dog.
Man, see the roast fish time, people. Put on the roast fish time already. Yeah. Then I go and do them things in. Yeah, man. Why, people, man, the party man, get a little craving man food right away, you know. Crave this man of the group, see you know. Name up yourself.
Yo, me no want to go in.
All the same as the taste blood. Eh? What, same as? Okay. Yeah, man, people, I tell them, man, this is it. You see? Roasters. You can't pay. Yeah, man. And roast fish are mad. But you don't so we look after the people. We're not joke, you know. We're not joke thing with the fun. You see?
This, yeah, man, from Crackers and Sydney. Crackers and Greens there.
Ah, where crackers there? The crackers, man. The crackers done. See,
But they are craving so man. If you follow him, you don't get nothing to eat. You just... Yo, if you follow him, bro, you don't get nothing. You man alone.
You take care of food already, you know. I don't want every killer then come to us start the gun.
Give me that one. Give me one of that. Give me one of that.
Yeah, man, that can't. That is just a killer one, you know. Killer the unit, you know.
One man me invite and say you can get some. Drink and see what I want.
From early on.
I mean, see, I come up the road with the bag them and thing. Man carry them come in, that's the thing come.
And you feel with the bag them.
Yo, you see how my work plays jogging?
Yeah, man.
Spot.
Little spot.
You know, to play jogging, man. Granny grow me, you know.
I tell him so we don't want no powder food. That girl, you know, you.
Rasta, welcome on the channel right away.
Big up.
Yeah, man. I like that.
Going, you know?
Is it?
Keep it up to the standard, you know?
Ah.
Every day we have to tell the people them the fish, you know, we don't really test it like that, you know.
Yeah. When you do the thing, I bet you know what I'm going.
Good, man. Good.
All the vegetables.
Inside the belly. Yeah. Take your time, no, it's hot still. Oh, you have to get the channel know all the taste of the thing. What are you here now, man? You know, it's just so. Alright, respect you, man. Come on. Child piano. Sit down. Who won that?
Son, our boy watch.
You know, shop, put more up on the fire now. Yeah, we people getting some more fish because them we put on the fire a while ago, them they gone already. So we getting some more now. So we know so we have to make sure we pass now them fish and know where them fish are go. Them fish are pass them out and know them go.
Real way, man. You know, I understand.
Sweet man.
No thing going on.
Alright. No, come in on. The YouTube thing, yeah, man.
That's a picture we take our own phone for sure, yeah, man. Yeah? But like, go ahead, sir.
Real way. Real way. Real native cooking.
But they're not right on the block, you know. When they're me about them, nothing have to run from class, man.
Where's the teacher? Everything good? Yeah, man.
Real.
Welcome to the channel, you know. Jamaica Land 1965. See?
Can't test him out and I want to see, man. Tastes good.
Yeah, man. Jamaica Land 1965 is the channel.
Alright.
That's the name of the channel. Yeah, people. Steamers. You want to gravy upon it? Or put the gravy upon it? What's up with something? Take it out. Put down a jug of water. Get this out of the way now. No fly. Call already? Yeah, man. This is Pauline. So we make sure so we carry fair thing come here right away. Yeah, man. So she want roast fish. Can I go through?
Yeah.
Alright. Don't mind taste to make you know what's going on, man. Yeah, man. This is the chef princess. Whoa. What do you say? Alright, Miss P. Respect. Alright, Miss P. Here you go. Bless up. Bless up.
Want the thick chopping girl over your stuff.
You know, cook chicken chop? Okay.
You know,
Yeah, if you know, you take it up, you know?
I'm killing father, man.
Yeah, hold it.
Forward!
Take out there.
Let go from me, man. You're nothing, man.
You have some crackers.
I'm charging, you know. See that, baby? No, you're not eating enough, man. You don't have to tell me. My own man, I hope I expect.
What this one? Okay.
Eh? Where's that? Oh, Penga. You have to taste it and tell the cameraman how it tastes.
Oh, alright. Okay, alright. You know? I'm going to have fish now. Fish time. Yeah.
Alright, okay.
Yeah, man.
Respect. Just remember this channel.
Yeah.
Jamaica Land 1965.
Right.
All good.
Tune it.
Yeah, man.
Thank you.
Put on the crackers and put them on it there. So Shava, two more crackers. I think you can box some vegetable, yeah. He say, the law better do you, you know, but
Don't know, you know, the people them we are do this one, you know.
yeah, man, for real, man.
You know, the people them have to see every moment.
Look come and spice up the one.
See me I say,
Ah,
we are work for the
that all I
people.
got?
Yeah,
them,
man. I'm going to put there.
You know,
Yes,
the
man.
thing,
Is the
though.
white man. Yeah, man.
They
Tough, man.
sparklings, man.
Yes, man.
Yeah,
Shut
man, I
up.
say thing work,
You
man.
see it. Me have it.
Me no go on no way after man no.
Yeah.
No, me I say please come. Me go send him one of this Christmas coming. Want it, so me buy.
Pangaja pastor.
Yeah, my family.
I never have video. Come on.
Eh?
Get the color. Yeah, people, see there? Yeah, man. Steamed fish with vegetable and crackers, you see? Yeah, man. Just like that. That's how we do it to them people, real Jamaican style, you see? With a rampant taste. Taste and tell how it tastes with that.
I'll pray, you know, I'll treat us up.
Yeah.
Good. Tremendous.
Alright,
Yeah,
my
man,
boss. Respect.
You know, a Jamaican native food, man. All Jamaican.
Big up Vibes Cartel to you.
Gaza, you know, Vibes Cartel are the boss, man. You know what I say? So I say, dance, man. You know the whole thing, cause darkness is say, you know. Away first say darkness, you know. You see it? But you don't know. Although La Boss I run with it still. Big him up still, you know. And we have said darkness from before La Boss even know music, you know. But you don't know a darkness, is it?
Yeah, man, real thing, man, you know? Darkness. Yeah, copy. For real, man. Long time I get for the combination between me and you, man. See that now?
Joke.
I listen people, man, I tell you.
Yeah, my family. Hello, yeah, my general. Big up yourself, you know. But they do it for my Jamaican and people them around the world, you know. Milo can't do nothing good, you know, my father. Man just make the thing look not presentable, you know.
Yeah, guys, no, never do it.
Excuse me, I'm a people. I have to move fast, you know, my people. Yeah, no time.
Come on, you don't get shit
No
out.
time. No time at all.
No, let's do a thing for the YouTube channel, don't know? For the YouTube.
Yeah, but
Probably
you're
never know.
welcome, you're welcome as well. You know,
We don't know you're one of the family, so you're always welcome, is it?
first you see me in action.
Yeah. Yes, yeah, go and catch me here in my bones, so me think say, you see,
Yeah.
I think that you are the done in the cooking.
Oh, take your time, yo.
No, sir.
Right away, you can give it, you can make your choice right away.
I test it.
Flavor.
Yeah, flavor.
Mm-hmm.
It tastes real good.
Jaja. Eh? People, I got deliver fish, a steamed fish and a roast fish out by King Street, Arcade. Yeah. So that's something I head for now with people to deliver the fish and come on back, you see? Yeah, man. So just watch along and see what go on, people.
People can't dead it for me alone, you know.
Oh, the roast fish you get me there?
Madam, you know.
Come in, you're done still, I saw it go still.
Is it? But it mad said you know.
Yeah, man, mad man. We know it mad man. Pick up yourself, man. See? Yeah, man. Just remember the channel, Jamaica Land 1965. You don't know? But the YouTube thing are going on, you know, so it is in, yeah. For real, straight.
No, we have the channel.
Ah, you see it? Yes, my people. This is it, you know, my people. With steamed fish and roast fish, crackers. You don't know, this are the steamed fish. Some of the crackers, pan so yeah, me ask my people, I sample and make you know what going on. Remember, this channel, Jamaica Land 1965. Just subscribe, my people, because I tell you this, boom, I don't taste it, but yeah, me ask some people, watch it. I taste something now, I taste the vegetable them first.
Boom.
Mm.
Boom.
Yo, chef. Yes, chef. The one is gone, bro. Trust me. When I full of flavor, because the vegetable I love me taste, and the amount of flavor when I taste on the vegetable. You don't need us to talk about the fish. Because the vegetable alone tell you what go on with the fish. You see? That's all about it, my youth. So you may some people. Remember to just subscribe to the channel. See, keep the channel going, keep the channel alive. See, and remember if you want a bad chef in your life. See, but there you know my people, just contact us. You see? Yeah man. Just looking at the info and just contact us with people. We're there upon it right away. Anything afar, any form of Jamaican food. Real Jamaican stuff. I read that. We're there upon it. You see? Yeah man. Just keep up to date with things. And to a program again will come with a next vlog with a different style of cooking. So we're there with people. Give thanks and praise to all you my people so far that enjoying this video. Make a comment and make you know what you think about this food. What I think about. We don't see the flavor in my people. But don't choose to taste it. See? I'm sorry I can't taste it through the phone. You see? But me I tell you how the taste go. The taste mad with people, trust me. The taste is bad. Food are full of aroma. Enough. Out.
As the cartel say, what is under my nose? I'm out.
Are you serious?
Ready, I'm cook.
I first me a taste darkness and from him alive me a tell. Second time now you cook up a yard.
Yeah,
You
you get
fuck it up.
a real thing, man.
We are man cheese right man.
Yeah, man. See
Man,
it?
you taste the seasoning of fish, you know?
Alright. Real talk. A real Jamaican native cooking, man, you know? Is it?
What do you roast fish tongue in the lane? Come Mr. Dog, you don't want a fish? Oh, no, man, I'm good, man. Right, man. Gone about in business after I'm too much fish pan grill.
Yeah, man.
Like the matter with him, no one knows how we're too young.
Yeah, man, this name, second court, man. Same flight, no delay. You ever hear a thing, say a leopard never changing spot? Remember?
Yo, man.
No delay. Same flight, you hear? I roast fish this man. You hear that? Jamaica native food, you know?
Yeah, people,
You
yeah,
hear
man.
that?
Give thanks and praise to God the Most High every time. Just eating this food and enjoying it, and not say, boy, yeah, it's all a blessing. To all of the people that participate in this cooking, give thanks to them. All the people that enjoy it, God bless them all the way. See,
No,
remember
Joe.
the people. It's all around Jamaica land 1965. Just
No,
subscribe,
Joe.
keep the channel alive. Up we go. Taste
Yeah,
this
man.
and tell them what about.
Second court, no delay. Same flight. Oh, oh. Tap in, man. Tap in,
That's something.
tap in, me daddy. Yeah,
You can't talk.
code.
Speechless.
Salah.
Speechless.
Salah. That's it. Remember, people, one love yourself every time. Jamaica land 1965. Subscribe.
Yes.
Out. Gonna be Arizona.
Top man wants something for drink, you know. Boss himself, you know. Take out one game. You know, the grill finally are over, you know. Yeah, that. You know, country fry. Where? You can't carry that. I eat this.